Fishy, 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 fishy. Great. Cool. Seriously, whoever did this has to come and do my house. Oh. Hi.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Got hurt my head. It's pretty. I'm gonna do that to my room.
Kids, look. The crane. And then do random pictures intermittently.
Those are pretty.
A cat.
But, oh,
And a skunk.
and a skunk. That's the only part I don't like is the dead animal. Oh, look, a raccoon.
2 raccoons.
2 raccoons.
2 little even. Okay.
Fish.
I'm gonna take you to the fun part first.
There's a fun part.
Yes. See all these wonderful fish?
Fishies, 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 fishies.
Lots of pretty fish, right? The gar. And if you go down, I believe it is the last one. There's, oh, by the way, those are live turtles.
Turtle. I'll take one home.
I believe it is this one.
That's awesome. Oh, they have a shooting range. Awesome.
That's a fake shooting range.
Yeah, but it's so cool.
I'm gonna do something. Close your eyes. I have a tiger up there, a wolf over there.
Goats. Deer. Where's the wolf? Where's the wolf?
Right there.
Oh,
Hiding.
okay. That's cool.
Look.
That's awesome.
They actually have real fish down there.
Oh, cool. Fishies.
Uh-huh. Honey, those are fish you want to play with. Look. Actual deer. We're going up.
That is awesome. Oh my god.
By the way, there's now a deer. You can look down even.
Okay.
We're not, honey, wrong one.
I don't want to go back down.
You have to.
Let me turn that frown upside down.
Before I punch you in the back of the face.
That's a big fishy. That's awesome.
Oh, yeah.
I submit.
Gray fox.
Oh.
Oh my god.